Now, coming to adjectives. Read the following paragraph. The little boy said, I love to go to the beach on sunny days. The blue sea with its high waves, the light foam on top, the sandy shore with the crowded stores and the happy people who come to the beach make the whole place seem bright and cheerful. So over here you can see the words which are in bold, they are all adjectives. They are giving some more or some extra information about the noun or the pronoun that has been just placed after that adjective. For example, you can see little. Little is adjective which is modifying a noun, that is boy. Okay, adjective is this little is adjective is telling something extra about that boy, some extra quality about that boy. So how you will define adjective? An adjective describes or modifies nouns and pronouns in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents and more about a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives usually provide relevant information about the nouns, pronouns they modify or describe by answering the questions. What kind? How many? Which one? How much? When? Okay, so they answer these type of questions. So adjectives enrich your writing by adding precise and originality to the noun. Okay, so in other words you can say an adjective modifies a noun or pronoun by describing, identifying or quantifying the words. An adjective usually precedes the noun or the pronoun which it modifies. An adjective can be placed before or after the noun. Okay, now see the first exercise. In this, circle the adjective in each sentence and state what type of noun it is describing. What we have to do in this? We have to underline, we have to identify the adjective, and the adjective is describing which noun that we have to identify. So see the first example. The shiny spaceship landed in my yard. Okay, so you can see shiny over here is adjective. Okay, and this word shiny is describing which noun? Yes, it is describing spaceship. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this exercise. Let's see B. An alien with big eyes walked out of the ship. So, what is the adjective over here? Yes, it's big. And it's describing which noun? It is describing eyes. So, big eyes. Okay? So, this is the way how you have to work on this exercise. Try to solve the remaining sentences on your own. Now, coming to kinds of adjectives. This we have been reading from the previous classes also. So, again let's take it. Kinds of adjectives. First kind is adjectives of quality. Okay. Adjectives of quality tell us about the quality or a kind of noun. Okay, noun की qualities क्या है? Short boy, little boy, young boy, beautiful girl, little girl, young girl. So these are the qualities. For example, see, funny cartoons, delicious cake, quality of cake. Dishonest politician, quality of politician. Foolish crow or clever fox. These are all adjectives of quality. Now coming to adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity answers to the question how much. Okay, answers to the question how much. So that tells us about the quantity of a noun. How? See, for example, some food, little time, much rain. It is not giving the exact number, exact quantity, but giving a rough idea. Just like some food, we cannot count food. Little time, we cannot count time. Much rain, you cannot count rain. So you can say that adjectives of quantity are taken as which modifies the uncountable nouns, you can say. Okay, now coming to adjectives of number. So these tells how many or order of nouns. For example, few apples, 5 apples, 4 pens. Okay, or you can say first rank, second rank, last, third. Okay, these you can say as adjectives of numbers. Now coming to demonstrative adjectives. When you are indicating towards a particular noun, okay, then we use demonstrative adjectives. See the examples of demonstrative adjectives. There are only 4. Okay, this, that, these and those. And I know you must be knowing the usage of this and that. This and that is used with a singular noun, and these and those are used for plural nouns. Okay, now come to possessive adjectives. From the word itself, possessive, you can understand showing the possession or the ownership of a noun. See, my car. Whose car is this? My car. Your pencil. Whose pencil? Your pencil. His house. Her watch. Their bags. Okay, so these words, my, your, his, her, their, are showing the possession of a noun, to whom that noun owns to. Okay, now interrogative adjectives, all the questioning adjectives like whose, which, what, where. Okay, these are interrogative adjectives. Emphasizing, emphasize means to put pressure. That means to put a pressure on a point that yes, this is the very thing I was talking about. That very is emphasizing adjective. See, for example, own, mind your own business. That means khud ke kaam se matlab that khud, that own is emphasizing adjective. This is the very toy my brother wants to play with. ये वही toy है जिससे मेरा भाई खेलना चाह रहा था. So that वही, that very is emphasizing adjective. Okay, so we'll read interrogative adjectives and emphasizing adjectives in a deeper way. An interrogative adjective is used with a noun to ask questions. Interrogative adjectives differ from interrogative pronouns in the manner that the former is followed by a noun in a sentence. Okay, so see the examples. What time is it? Whose shirt is this? What subjects do you like? Which girl has not returned the book? Okay, so these are all interrogative adjectives. Okay, now see, fill in the blanks, exercise number 2. Dash book did you buy at the book fair? So what can be the answer? Which book did you buy at the book fair? Next, dash photograph is that one over there. Is it your? So the answer would, whose photograph is that one over there? Whose? W-H-O-S-E. Okay, so rest please try to solve by your own. Okay, Try to solve them by your own, and if you face any problem, you can ask me. Emphasizing adjective. So emphasizing adjective means to emphasize, to put pressure upon. It heightens or reduces the effect of the noun which you are trying to modify. मतलब उसकी importance show करता है, noun का importance show करता है कि वो noun कितना important है और कितना important नहीं है. Okay, that emphasizes the noun. Okay, even if they are taken away, the sentence will still make a complete sense. For example, it is sheer nonsense. Okay, and if you are emphasizing word sheer is removed, the statement means the same. Okay, sheer word हटा भी दिया, then also that the sentence, the meaning of the sentence would remain the same. See some more examples of emphasizing adjectives. They are utter, such, absolute, total. Okay, so some more examples. I was dismayed by his absolute ignorance. Absolute हटा भी दिया तो the sentence would remain as same. I was dismayed by his ignorance. Okay, there was utter pandemonium after the earthquake. So utter. Now coming to exercise 3, fill in the blanks with emphasizing adjectives. See the first one. This is the dash book that I wanted to buy. ये वही बुक है जो मैं खरीदना चाहता था. That वही means yes, it's very. This is the very book that I wanted to buy. Next, the campaign was a dash success. The campaign was a complete success. Okay, complete is emphasizing adjective. Okay, it is emphasizing on the word success. I saw all this with my own eyes. That means मैंने खुद की आँखों से देखा. Okay, with my own eyes. Understood? So this was the exercise with emphasizing adjectives. Now we'll come to exercise number 4, wherein you have to underline the adjectives as well as you have to state its kind. Which kind of adjective is the word? Okay, so we'll take first 3 sentences and rest to be done by you. Okay, next, let's see. This room has been decorated by my father. So over here we have my as an adjective, which is possessive adjective. Okay. Next, B, he slipped on the wet ground. So wet is adjective, quality of adjective of quality. Okay. Next, those men are not very strong. Very you can take, and those also you can take. Sorry, you cannot take strong. You will take those. Okay, so those is demonstrative adjective. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this exercise.